Hi everyone, we'll be starting in 2 minutes. Thank you for being so patient, and I'm looking forward to interacting with everyone today.
मुळात ते जे हे आहे ना त्याच्यात जे मेन आहे ना त्यांनी सगळ्यांना म्यूटवर
Rename
Good evening, everyone. I am Rotractor Chandni Shetty, the Sergeant at Arms of Rotrac Club of Medical. The meetings will be commencing now. In the meantime, I would like to request you all to please maintain decorum throughout the meeting. Keep your video switched on and do not unmute your mics until you are asked to do so. Kindly do not cause any disturbances within the meeting, any form of inappropriate behavior or conduct or failure to follow the above rules will attract a fine and cause you to be removed from the meeting. Thank you. I would like to now invite the President of Medicrew, Protractor Vidhi Shah, to call the meeting to order.
Thank you, Chandni. I now call the meeting to order. Before we go ahead, I'd like to request everyone to stand up for the national anthem, and those who cannot stand up can switch off their cameras for respect. Thank you. The national anthem will commence in a minute.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे।
I'd like to extend a warm welcome to all the dignitaries who've joined us today. We have the chief guest for tonight, that is the DRR 2021-22 Road Tractor Bharat Patel. We have members, esteemed members of our parent Rotary, who've joined us today, and all the district council members, our ZRRs, and the members of Rotary Club of Medicrew. Thank you so much for joining us today on our official club visit and join GBM. And I hope everyone enjoys their time today. So going ahead, I'm just going to briefly go over the club details because in the last few weeks, we've had a large group of members who've joined us and I'm sure are a part of the meeting today. So for their benefit, I would just like to talk for 5 minutes about the club and then we can go ahead with the club announcements, and after which I'll be discussing the project releases, and that will be it for the GBM. Okay, so as you all know that we are a non-profit international medical organization. This is the organization structure that we have. We are a pan-India organization, and as you can see here, there's a core team, then there's the board of directors. Here I wanted to introduce the different avenues that we work under. There's international service, that's where we connect to global road sectors. There's human resources development, where you as members are developed into leaders and you are allowed to spearhead projects of your own in your vicinity. Then comes the support avenues, which is the editorials, where if any of you future doctors are into writing or reading, we facilitate conversation about social issues through a platform by our own literature club. Then there are avenues such as sports, where we are all about holistic development. So sports conducts events all year round where we give you opportunities to work on your fitness and physical activity as well. Then comes public relations and marketing. It's important to identify yourself as a road tractor today because it's a global phenomenon. And if anyone knows you as a road tractor, the respect for you increases because they know that the work you do is credible. Public relations and marketing helps us connect to outside organization and companies, and spread the word about the work we do and help us reach to places we can't. Then comes our main avenues, which is community service. Being a part of the medical fraternity, I'm sure a lot of you have immense passion for helping the ones in need and the underprivileged. And we have seen immense need for it, especially within the COVID pandemic times. So community service is one of our main avenues. So is professional development. We think beyond academics and what you're taught in your curriculum, there's a lot of scope for you to grow in terms of research, in terms of innovation, in terms of global healthcare education that we strive to provide to you all under one roof. And beyond it, we have partners in service where Roadtract is an entire movement of 250,000 road tractors, and Rotary International, which is our parent movement, is even bigger than that. So through partners in service, we connect to Rotarians who've been in the movement for years, and they inspire us every day to be young road tractors and work our way in the movement. So this is a gist of most of the avenues that we have. We have 11 avenues in total. Entrepreneurship development, we have a research and innovation wing here where we have introduced one of a kind research club that's not there in any other medical student organization. We even fund researchers, so that's what it's for. And Yeah, as you guys can see on the screen, there are regional heads and institutional heads. Now, why are they important? Because each of you are coming from a city that's spread across India, and institutional ambassadors are college representatives in your college who connect you and your ideas and your motivation to us. And the regional heads are in your region. They overlook all the college representatives, that is the IAs, and they help you basically conduct local projects on a grassroots level that are relevant to your own region. So that is the idea, that we work on a local level, but we also work on a very national level. So that's what the regional heads and the institutional ambassadors are for. Going ahead, then come the general body members, which is all of you. You guys are the most pivotal part of our organization, and you are the ones who plan, are there on ground daily, and help us every day execute projects and convert passion into credible impact. So this is a brief description of the organization structure that we have in place for our huge organization. Okay, moving on. Moving on to club announcements now. Okay, I'm extremely proud that we continue to be the largest charter Rotaract club within Rotaract District 3141. For those of you who don't know what districts are, as I said, Rotaract is a global phenomenon. So every geographical region is distributed into districts, right? So District 3141 covers Mumbai and Palghar region, but our club stands out in the way that we are a pan-India club, and we don't have any specific main region. It's all across India. So we have now crossed 1,500 members, and that happened yesterday. Actually, we crossed our 1,500 number, and that has happened within the first 8 months. We started 8 months ago, and our growth has been phenomenal. And it's been so inspiring to see everyone get involved. And yeah, we take immense pride in saying that we have grown. And I think it's a testament to the kind of work that our members, all of you, are doing, that we have reached this kind of growth. So going ahead, as you guys can see, we have introduced 946 new road tractors to the movement, and we are in 22 states and 92 cities, spread across India. So going ahead, as you guys can see, our member growth, we started from a team of 30 people in a room. And when we, thought about the entire, starting a medical organization, none of us really thought that, this was possible. But today we stand at such a impactful number, and we hope to grow, with your ahead. These are the cities, some of the areas in the cities, to give you guys a better idea that the opportunities that we give are really broad termed, and you don't really get opportunities to do something in your own region, but we connect you to people in need, and also medical professionals from all of these regions that you see on your screen here. And you get to interact with people of all kinds in the medical fraternity, and you get to learn and grow together. And I think that's something that's so amazing about Rotaract, that we get to experience. Going ahead, for those of you who joined us newly, I'd like to introduce you guys to the new social media platforms that we have. We are not only there on Instagram, but we are also there on YouTube. We've crossed 200 subscribers there. Again, congratulations to everyone, and whoever hasn't joined us there, please do so, because we have our own individual events that we do on YouTube. And we do medical Q&A sessions with doctors from all around the world there, sort of like a coffee with Karan Johar style, but medical. So we're trying to keep it interesting for everyone. So if you're interested in stuff like that, do join our YouTube, and we have Facebook and LinkedIn as well. So going ahead, Okay, when it comes to the number of projects, a lot of times the number seems daunting to me because we have done 243 projects since our inception. And that means that every month we've been able to give our members almost 40 over 40 opportunities for them, and all of these opportunities we made sure are extremely unique, and they keep your academic commitments in mind. So as you guys can see, this quarter itself, we were able to cross over 100 projects, you know, this quarter. So we'll be talking a bit more about the star projects that we did to give you a better idea about what kind of things we've done and how you can get more involved. And then we can just, open the forum for more conversation. So going ahead. Some of the achievements that I'd just like to go through, we were published in the Rotary magazine article for one of our projects that was in relation to menstrual hygiene and sustainable menstrual kit distribution. And we were also published by Indian Express for one of our projects that we did within the community. So I think these are just small motivations that we get through, recognition of our work. But of course, it just helps us do more and more better community service projects. So going ahead. Okay, I come to club announcements now. New things that have happened in quarter 3. One of the main things is that UNESCO approached us. They saw the kind of work we're doing, and basically they approached us and they asked us to start a bioethics unit of our own. And usually this is an opportunity that only medical institutions get, but they saw that the kind of promise all of our members show. So what happens is, through the UNESCO bioethics unit, you get access to UNESCO certified projects, and bioethics is something that is now getting included in your curriculum as medical students. Treating a patient goes beyond clinical worlds, and this is what bioethics unit teaches you how to be a holistic medical professional. And we do it in collaboration with UNESCO, which just makes it so much more authentic and better. So I'm looking forward to see each of you get more involved within the unit and take full advantage of it. Going ahead. Okay, we'll move to the next slide. Yeah. So I'm now going to be discussing a few of the projects that we did in quarter 3. And if any of you feel like these are the projects that you would like to spearhead in your own local region, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll help you execute them locally and, help you plan them as well. So Project Horizon was something we did with our Rotary Club. They're our beacon of support. They have helped us so much through the entire year, and they've been in the movement for years. So they're people we really look up to. They helped us conduct this camp in Thane at a non-profit organization for special needs kids, where we conducted a general health camp, gynac health camp, orthopedic, and even free medicine distribution along with a dental camp. So, and we are now planning a physiotherapy camp for them. So we basically helped the below poverty line strata special needs kids and their parents, and it's a really fulfilling project. So this is one of the kind of projects that you can do. You can figure out an organization in your locality that needs healthcare access, and then we can conduct health camps specific to their needs. So that's how we got the gynac and the orthopedic doctors involved. So going ahead, we did a health camp again and a medicine distribution and a deworming drive in a tribal villagers area, where it was a team of total 16 doctors, and we screened 102 patients. Again, they were tribal villagers who don't have access to even the basic resources, and we conducted a deworming drive for them as well. And we did this in collaboration with another medical organization, right? So this way we get to connect to a lot more passionate doctors and at the same time create like a huge impact. So going ahead, there are a few pictures from this camp that all of you can see and understand the kind of projects that we're doing. So going ahead, We don't only look into community service, we also look into education, and we also look into environment. This is a project where we did it with the local government actually, and we taught school kids about how to be environmentally friendly. We planted a few trees with them. We educated them about just basic hygiene and sanitation, and also health in children. And this was a project. We have various avenues, and this is an example of how we branch out. Okay, moving on. This was a project where we were felicitated by, 13 state governments and 9 municipalities. A lot of our members couldn't, do on-ground projects. So I would like to, communicate that, we have just as many virtual opportunities for you all. This was one of them. COVID has been a focus area for us as a medical organization since that is when we started. So a lot of our members were given the chance to reach out to COVID positive tested, people, and they educated them and convinced them to donate their plasma. And we connected them to government hospitals where they went and donated that plasma and helped save lives of people in COVID who were in serious conditions. So we were able to reach out to over 100 donors, and this was all done from home. Our volunteers reached out, called people and educated them, and we were really positively surprised by the response that we got from the general public as well. So this is one of the examples of online projects that we do. Going ahead. So the Goodward project is another project that was done online. This was in terms of physical activity, but at the same time, it had a healthcare perspective. Through this project, we got over 555 registrations, and it was a fundraising project with the other organizations. We were able to raise over 3 lakh rupees, which we plan to use going ahead in our year-long initiatives such as menstrual kit distribution and other projects. So going ahead. Other aspect that we work on is educating ASHA, Anganwadi workers, and also non-healthcare workers in non-profit organizations. So this is also another education sector where, there's general public and then there's medical students, but then there's those, people within the healthcare sector who with some education could really help out a lot on the ground level. So this was a project where we worked with the Save the Children organization, and we educated their non-healthcare workers on how to take care of the kids that are the residents of the orphanage, and we taught them how to do basic pediatric life support, and we taught them about basic healthcare hygiene and a lot more. So this is another example of an avenue that we basically try to reach out to, and is something that we've realized not a lot of organizations have been able to do. Okay, moving on. Next. Okay. I've taken a lot of your time. Now I'll just be taking the next 5 minutes to tell you about projects that are year-long initiatives that you can get into and make an impact on a regional level. So these are projects that we have going on through the year. Okay. So the menstrual hygiene distribution, we have done over 12 camps here, and we focus on distributing sustainable sanitary napkins wherever we can. But this is something that we do in conjunction with our Rotary as well. And we educate a lot of underprivileged girls and, girls who have been saved from sexual trafficking situations. So it's really about getting and, reaching out to the people who genuinely are in need and connecting them with the healthcare need that they carry. So if you are, and we do these virtual sessions of education also, menstrual hygiene education. So if you're someone who cannot get out of your house, you don't have to worry about it. We can connect you to underprivileged girls in orphanages, and you can take a session online as well. Okay, going ahead. This is, I'm sure you guys must have seen this on Instagram. This has been a highlight project of ours, which is the International Medical Exchange. We have been able, we talk about connecting you to global Rotractors. This is us exactly doing that. Every month, we connect you to Rotractors from different countries. So, next slide, as we go on the next slides, we'll see that, we've connected to, in the last month, we connected to UK, and now we have an upcoming exchange with Morocco. They're 4-day exchanges. They're not just cultural exchanges. We also have medical seminars taken by international faculties. We have discussions, panel discussions with, international medical students that you guys can talk to and learn about the public healthcare system. So it's a multifaceted project. So as we go across the slides, I think Ria, you can just go across the slides, and they can get to see the different countries that we've interacted with. So Mexico and Ukraine, going ahead. Scotland and the United States. We did one with Spain, Nigeria. We have upcoming ones with Canada, going ahead. Okay, another project that we are now bringing back because of the COVID situation. We did this in November during Diwali. It's basically getting donations from residents and in turn of getting free COVID checkup from our volunteers and members. And is done keeping all the social distancing rules in mind. We give appointments to flat numbers residents, and they come accordingly, and we sanitize everything, and then they undergo the COVID checkup, and after that they can donate whatever they like. And through this, we actually received 11,000 kilos of donations. This was a project that we did in 8 cities. It was a huge success, and this is something that we are planning on getting it back, because we've realized again, due to COVID, a lot of COVID centers need help in terms of testing, and that's something that a lot of you can be a part of. And in turn, the donations go to we connected to the Gunj NGO. But if you have any NGOs that you think need more help, please feel free to let us know, and we'll donate everything there. Okay, going ahead. Okay, we are only left with the last 2 projects, and then we'll move on from the GPM. So going ahead. Okay, as I said, the research club is present there. We'll be sending the messages again on the member groups. Please be a part of the research lab. Here, from the start to end, the faculty teaches you about how to start a research. We even have funded 3 researches of our own, medical researches, one regarding diabetes and the other regarding leprosy patients. So we are not only restricted to, organic service, but we are also spreading our reach to global healthcare education. We want to give you every sort of aspect that education abroad gives you. So research is such a huge aspect. Evidence-based practice in medicine is a huge thing, and we want to integrate that into our medical members. And this is the place where you'll find all the help you need. And yeah, so going ahead. The Medical Gazette is the monthly newsletter. In case you feel overwhelmed by the amount of opportunities on the group, this is sent to your WhatsApp group as well as your email ID, personal one, that you've registered through. So it has all the information about the events that have happened each month. We even have a GBM Hall of Fame section. So if you have been an active GBM member, you will be identified by our team, and you will be felicitated at a later date. So this is also again something that will help you stay connected to everything that's happening within the club. Going ahead. The collaboration carnival. This is something where we give our general members the chance to connect us to organizations they know. Okay, so this was something that we started, and we were really surprised because in 3 months we got over 33 members who came ahead and connected us to non-governmental organizations that could have used help, but they didn't really know about our organization. But because those members, each of you might have your own experiences with nonprofits, or in your locality know certain that need help. So this is the project through which you can connect us to those organizations, and then we collaborate with them, and we try to connect all of you to so many more opportunities that don't only exist within the club, but outside as well. So going ahead. Okay, this is a project that we now moving on to projects that we are focusing on for the next quarter. Co-vaccination drive. We did this in Nagpur and we're looking to do this pan-India and we're looking for project heads for the same. Basically through this, what we did was we connected to an old age home, and because COVID is very rampant again, it's become our focus again. So what we did was we went ahead, we registered the old age home residents who had nobody to take care of them or take them to the vaccination centers. So we booked a separate time slot for them, connected to the government, and we did transportation. We took all of them, made sure they get their vaccinations, we dropped them back, and we educated them about how they would be getting symptoms, and if they have any issues they can feel free to reach out to us. And a lot of more old age healthcare organizations in that vicinity have reached out to us now for help, and we're looking to help them all out as well. So in your locality, if you have an old age home where the residents have not been able to get vaccinated because of simple financial issues, like they don't have transportation, or they don't have people to really take care of the old age people during the vaccination process, please, this is a request, reach out to our directors, the HRD directors, and they will help you conduct this project there, and we will make sure that you are able to conduct. So going ahead, this is something that we are looking to continue in the next quarter as well. Again, elderly care was our medical developmental goal last month. So this is something that we are doing. Old age homes, we're conducting general health camps, but now we've shifted to vaccination drives because that's the need of the hour. So going ahead. Next. Okay, I think that's it. We've discussed club announcement. We've discussed the kind of projects we've done in the last quarter, how you can get involved in the next quarter, our year-long initiatives that are happening every month that, you can just, pick up and do them in your region. And your membership toolkits and your membership IDs, they have all of our contacts. So if you feel like you have any questions, you can reach out to us there. The new members, you will have your membership IDs and toolkits within the month, because we've had almost 500 members join us in the last 3 weeks. So, the process takes a bit of time, but trust us, we're, in the process of getting you all the resources that we have for you, and you will be extremely well informed about everything that's going in the organization. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much, everyone, for paying attention and listening to everything that I wanted to say. But before we go ahead and open the forum, I would like to invite one of the most important people for our organization, our club mentor, which is Rotarian Rupen Doshi. He's the one because of whom we were motivated to start this organization and could do it. So I'll be now inviting him to take over and speak a few words to each of our club members.
My wife hated her gynecologist. Do you know why? Because he didn't smile. It was just as simple as that. At that point in time, many years ago, he was the best gynac in town, but she still hated him. So I said, you need to like him for his competency, his professional competency. She's saying he's a bad human being. He doesn't know how to smile. Technical skills you will definitely pick up in your medical college. But learning is not only about technical skills. It is about life also. Welcome to the world of Rotary and Rotrac, guys, which is where you will learn things like organizing. You're seeing the amount of stuff that Vidhi and her board has done. You will learn financial management, not just the pocket money that your parents give you or the stipend that you earn, but managing other people's money. The donors are giving money, the Rotary is giving you money. You'll learn how to manage that. Remember, managing other people's money is more important than managing yours. So that's what Rotrac affords you. It gives you a huge opportunity to manage that. People skills. You'll have 1,500 members. Imagine the task that Vidhi and Siddhai and all of them will have going forward. You need to manage the human resource, which is the most difficult resource to manage, right? So money can be managed, time can be managed, but human beings managing is very difficult. Rotrack gives you this huge and brilliant opportunity to learn how to manage human beings. You know, after being a Rotractor and a Rotarian of so many years, I'm still learning every single day on how to manage people. These opportunities are what the movement, the Rotary and the Rotrack movement affords you. And life skills. Remember, your technical skills will make you a good doctor, but your life skills will make you a good human being. I have been assured by Vidhi that each and every one of you who goes through the portals of the Rotrack Club of Medicrew will learn how to smile at their patients, not frown at them, not growl at them, and be nice to them. Right? That is what will make you good doctors. So that's so important, guys. And especially in today's day and age, right, where the world is so small, and if I'm not happy with Vidhi as a doctor, if she instead of fixing my sprain, she sprains my muscle, I'll put it up on Instagram and all my followers will start cursing her. So, as doctors, you're doing a great job. You're in the right place. You're going to serve community, serve humanity very well. But you need to do it as good human beings too. So I think what you're all in the right place. The very fact that you joined the Rotrack Club of Medicrew means you guys got it all right. Great going. Make the most of the opportunity. You and me and Bill Gates, all three of us have 24 hours in a day. You see how each one is using them, right? Bill Gates is up there and we are like somewhere at the bottom. So guys, make use of the opportunity that's coming to you, because doors are not going to open for you. Nobody's going to take the effort of opening up a door. You have to knock and you have to learn how to open it. So that's what Rotrack and Rotary does. Okay. So I'm so happy that all of you could attend this OCV and you're all a part of this very, very, very vibrant club. We are so proud of the Rotrack Club of Medicrew and Vidhi and her team, because you guys have really done so much of work for the community, which is what Rotary is all about. So keep going, guys. Get involved. The next president of the Rotrack Club should have a problem on who not to take on the board, because all of you are keen, all of you are interested, and all of you are good. So let's have that kind of a situation where we have a problem of plenty of talented Medicrew just bursting to go out there and serve the community. So go for it, guys. Have fun. All the best.
Thank you so much, Rotarian Rupen sir. If you wouldn't mind, I'd just, would like to open the forum and see if any of the members have any questions for you, because it's a great opportunity to have you interact, with everyone. And we love the fact that you've joined us. So, yeah. Anyone who wants to, okay, if you already have a question. Okay, so Rotractor Lekha, could you tell us more about your journey within Rotary and how you came to become a Rotarian?
So I became a Rotarian because I was a Rotractor, honest. I was a Rotractor in my college days, and that stayed in my DNA. And obviously, when I came of age and I'd more or less settled in my career and stuff, or started my career, I joined Rotary. So that was a very natural progression. How I joined and why I joined Rotrack? I mean, let me be honest with you here. In our college, the prettiest girls were in Rotrack. Very simple. No great science behind this. That's where we went. Period. I hope that answers your question.
I think one of the more important aspects is that we get to meet a lot of people. So definitely, I think that's a good incentive to join. Okay, let's see if we have just one more question we'll go for. Okay. What, according to you, is the one project under Rotary that brought you closer to this purpose? Wow.
Okay, so very profound. But in Rotary, we will not do anything that doesn't bring you close to the purpose. Okay, so any project, big or small, makes makes you motivated from within. But let me tell you about a little heart surgeries project that we are doing for many years now at the Kokilaben Hospital. Okay, so this is for kids below the age of 3 who need open heart surgery. Okay, the cost is anything between 2 lakhs and 12 lakhs. Okay, whatever Rotary can afford, we will pay. But what really moved me is, can you imagine a 1-day-old child Okay, she's still in her mother's arms, and the doc says that she's got a hole in her heart, or there's a malfunctioning valve, or something in your language is missing. I mean, that's just not fair, right? I mean, you can't even fight with God because of that. So Rotary kind of got into this, and these are patients who have no choice but to let their children go, because they can't save their children. So that project actually completely moved and in a way shattered me, because it's more the parents. When you see the parents, he's a dabba wala, he's a hath gadi wala, he's selling balloons, earning like 200 bucks a day, these kind of things. So, this kind of a project where you're benefiting, you're actually serving the beneficiary directly and impacting her life directly is what moved me the most. Thank you.
Right. I think that's something really, Rupen uncle, that we've learned from you as well, because Rotarians of RC, Bombay Pure, we've always seen them have so much purpose and do projects with so much purpose. That's something that we try to integrate in Medicrew as well. It's really not about the numbers for us, it's about the quality of projects that we do, and daily we strive to imbibe that. And we have seen that in Bombay Pure, and that's where we've learned it. So thank you so much for sharing that experience with us, and even joining us today. It was great having you. It always
All
is.
the best.
Thank you. Yeah.
Keep going. And one thing I must say, that as doctors, you are in a unique position in society to serve the community, and you have chosen the profession, and you've chosen to be in Rotrack. So you got the best of both worlds. So keep it up, guys. Big cheer for the Rotrack Club of Medicrew. Thank you.
So much. Okay. Um, Now we'd like to go ahead and invite our district road track representative and our chief guest for today, everyone, road tractor Bharat Patel. He'll be taking over, and he'll be, interacting with y'all, and feel free to, respond to questions he asks. And yeah, just enjoy the process. And if you have any questions, of course, after that, I'm sure the forum will be open. And he'll also be felicitating a few of our active members if time permits. So, road tractor Bharat Patel.
Hello everyone. हाँ, thank God किसी ने तो wave किया. Yeah. So, it was really great to come here for this club. 1,500 members, 218, 48 something projects, right? That's an amazing job as a charter club. First of all, I just want to apologize on the behalf of the district, because our TRR, Road Tractor Moses Joshi, is not well right now, and because of that, I had to come to take this OCV. So this is for next year, but yeah, I'm taking this year. So yeah, that's a practice thing, I can take now. Okay, so what is OCV? Okay, I don't want, board of directors or core team members, but I want, all the GB members to answer this question. What is OCV? Why we are here today? This is the standard question we actually ask. So that's the thing. एक रिचुअल होता है ना, वो हम लोग निभाते हैं हर साल. So what is OCV? Guys, you can speak.
Okay, everyone can feel free to unmute themselves.
Yeah. गलत नहीं हुआ तो भी चलेगा.
Official club visit.
Official club visit. Official club visit.
और होता क्या है official club visit में? What we do in official visit?
So we get to know
acquainted
about
with
the
working pattern of the organization.
Okay.
We interact with each other.
we all enter the club legally.
Arya, you were saying something. Arya?
Connect with the fellow Rotractors around the country.
Okay. And what is DRR? What does mean the DRR? DRR पता है लोगों को? Why I am speaking in, and representing district. What is DRR? No answer. Guys, पहले तो तुम्हारे वीडियो ऑन करो सब लोग. बहुत गंदा लग रहा है. Yeah. Great. So, what is DRR? Anyone can tell me? Yeah, Keith, you were saying something.
Represented.
Okay, district Rotaract representative. That's very nice. Chalo, ये सब standard questions थे. Okay, we actually asked this during the OCV. Since you guys are new club, okay, and since you all are new, okay, I don't, I don't want to, pakapa you and give a gyan or kind of things because तुम लोग मुझसे ज़्यादा ज्ञानी हो, ठीक है? Because you all are doctors, ठीक है? And we really, really, really respect you a lot, okay? So it's a privilege for us, as a Rotaract district to have such club in our district, okay? So 1,500 doctors we have, right? So Vidhi, that's an amazing job, 1,500 doctors we have. So, in the entire year, we can take a hell lot of, help from you all. And I'm sure you guys will help us, because you are the doctors, right? But
Yeah, definitely, Bharat.
exactly. But I want you guys to explore Rotaract more. Okay. So I always see that doctors are towards the community service, social service, right? But in Rotaract there are so many avenues. Correct. We did just explain about the avenues, right? 12, 13 avenues. You have 11 avenues, right? Why not to explore them? Correct. We have international service, we have professional development, we have club service, right? There are so many editorial, right, where you can write also, correct? So I want these all members, to think about that one thing, okay, that you want to do, okay, and focus on that one thing. Just don't focus that we have to do only community service because we are a part of the Rotaract, so हम लोग को social service ही करना है. विधि ने बोला है कि हमें social service projects करना है, ठीक है? तो हम सब वो ही करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है, ठीक है? Now the another question, मैंने अभी एक क्वेश्चन पढ़ा था यहाँ पे चैट बॉक्स में, just one sec, मैंने वो लिख के भी रखा है वो क्वेश्चन. Okay, can I have Hirak Ganesh? Hirak, are you there?
Yes, sir. I am.
Yeah. You said how to become RCM president, right?
Yes, I asked.
For me, okay, you all are presidents, you all are leaders, okay? I feel if you want to do something, okay, you don't need a position, okay? You can do, without position as well. And believe me, for Vidhi, you all are important. All the members are important. And for us also, all the GB members are our first priority, right? So whatever you want to do, okay, you can do. Hirak, why you want to become the president? Hirak, you want to become the president, right? Why?
Actually, I have a lot of too many ideas in my mind. So it would be better if we're able to communicate from a higher post to low ones, so that my voice could reach too far from the position which I am right now.
That's amazing. I feel everyone, जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे हैं, 456, everyone should have his dream to become the president. Okay, you guys should have this dream to become a leader in the organization. Okay, that's what I believe, right? So next year की the president ready है हमारे पास सीधा है. Hi सीधा है. I can see you. Right. Yeah, but उसके बाद के लिए we will have a lot of leaders, right? In the club, correct? Second thing, I am for district Rotaract representative. If I can tell you, it's the head of the Rotaract organization in Mumbai. Okay, जैसे विधि ने बोला that 3141 is our district code, right? 3141 covers entire Mumbai. Okay, and we are as a chief of that entire district. Okay, if given a chance, okay, this is just for members. Okay, small activity. Okay, given a chance. Okay, next day you are PRR. Okay, you are a chief of this organization. Okay, what will be your step? What you want to change that one thing. Okay, you can give me an answer in one word or anything, but you have to tell me one thing that you want to change. Okay, as a DRR, think that next year you are a president or a DRR, and what will you change? Got my question right? Guys, DRR बन रहे हो. Nothing.
So I think maybe like interacting on a very large scale, interacting with every single student. And right now, as in the COVID conditions, we see that a lot of students are in different states. So to collect students in a particular area or in a particular state, whomsoever can come and organize an event or organize a drive or something or the other that could help Rotaract in any manner, I think that could be a start.
That's really great, Srishti. Okay. Anyway, yeah, your DRR makes the best Instagram page. Thank you so much, Mohit. Yeah, because our country has become less students. Okay. Encouraging parts. Guys, chat से better है तुम लोग बोलो यहाँ पे. So it will be more, interactive. So you guys can go ahead. वरना मैं पिकअप करना शुरू कर दूँगा. मेरे को जो भी दिखे मेरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर. Go Rina. Rina, you wanted to say something? Anyone else?
I would to change the mentality of people regarding to myths. Like they have a lot of myths about everything.
Okay, Khushi.
Yeah,
so
I would like to bring changes to reach the local community via skits or dramas in their local languages, create awareness about the menstrual hygiene, the hygienic, how hygienic one should live, all those changes. And I would firstly locate the major problems in that certain area. And firstly, we'll be conducting webinars on that. I would also like to promote the transgender community, transgender healthcare, and I would like to go for street art, promoting awareness, like how doctors are harmed during COVID. Like there is so much violence against doctors, so via street painting, promoting awareness for the violence against doctors thing. And yeah, these are some of the things I would like to bring about.
That's really nice, Rina. And I can tell you, next.
Thank you, sir.
Something for the transgender community and LGBTQ community. In next year, Rotaract district in the first, history of, first time district is having a cell, okay, LGBTQ cell in Rotaract. Okay, so we are also promoting LGBTQ. So I think your ideas towards helping transgender or promoting their culture, it will be really connecting next year. Okay, and I really wish you to connect with our district members next year as well, since you have a second thing. You guys are speaking about you want to change things, you want to bring change in the society, you want to do local camps, you want to connect members, right? Do you think you want to become the DRR for that or a president for that?
No, sir. I think even on the
first
college
of all,
level.
Don't call me sir, okay? इतना बड़ा नहीं हो चुका, ठीक है? I'm not in senior category, so yeah. Bharat, okay? Yeah.
Okay. So Bharat, firstly, even as a member of Rotaract Club, I can give up my ideas. As it is said that every member has the opportunity to become a leader. So I think every member can be a leader and bring about that change.
Amazing. That's a great thing, Rina. Every member is leader. Okay. Everyone can bring change. Okay. You just have to, give your ideas. You just have to tell your dreams to your leader. Now Vidhi as a leader of the club, right? She's representing all of you. Okay. And she is responsible, to make sure that, your dreams comes true, right? So Srishti also spoke about some projects she wants to do, right? Khushi also spoke about project. Rina also spoke. So all these projects, it's responsible, that Vidhi is responsible to do all these projects on behalf of you, right? Because she's the president, correct? You just have to tell her that I want to do this project, okay? And I need help from the Rotaract Club of Medicrew. Okay, but I'm just telling you, विधि के पास 1500 लोग ऐसे पहुंच मत जाना, मेरा ये ड्रीम है, विधि मुझे मारेगी पकड़ के, ठीक है? So yeah, but yeah, just convey your ideas, your dreams to your leader, okay, and work for that dream. खाली idea बोल देने से कुछ नहीं होता. That I want to change the society, okay? आगे क्या? We have to work for that thing, right? And I really want, that all these ideas, okay, needs to be, executed next year. Or Siddha, I can tell you, this is a big task for you. Okay, now we have only 2 months for this year, 2021, right? So Vidhi, you have 2 months. Siddha, you have 14 months, right, to do stuff. Correct. Ask your members what are their dreams, what they want to do, right, to be in a part of this community, being a part of this organization, right? Rotaract should be beneficial for all of you. Okay, it's not like कि join कर लिया, doctors का club है, सब लोग join कर रहे हैं, मैं भी join कर लेता हूँ, ठीक है, या फिर कर लेता हूँ. It's not like that. Okay, you should get benefit from the Rotaract. Okay, I will tell you, be selfish. Okay, सब लोग बोलते हैं selfish नहीं होना चाहिए, selfless होना चाहिए, but I will tell you, be selfish. Okay, if you are not getting anything written from this organization, I will tell you, leave this organization. And this I am telling you. Okay, if you are not getting anything back from this organization, there is nothing to waste your time or invest your time here, right? But I will tell you, if you explore Rotaract, you will learn something. You will get some returns, right? You just have to put your hard work. You just have to put your time here, right? And you will get your returns. And I'm telling you, today, my story is like, मैं एकदम shy बच्चा था जो एकदम corner में बैठता था, ठीक है? And now I'm speaking to all of you, around 430 people, right? That's the change because of Rotaract. I'm a graphic designer, okay, because of Rotaract. Okay, I'm not kidding. Because of Rotaract, I thought about graphic designing, and I'm a graphic designer now. Right? My first job in CA I got because of Rotaract and Rotary. जो मेरा interview ले रहा था वो Rotary दिन था. And we just spoke about Rotary, Rotaract during our interview. That's the power of Rotaract and Rotary, right? You can network here. There are 400 members. You can talk to each other, share your ideas, right? You have a group, right, Vidhi, with all the members, right?
Yes, we do.
Exactly. So speak there, okay? Share your ideas, talk to people, connect to people, right? And it will surely help you. And I'm telling you, obviously छोड़ना मत Rotaract वरना इतनी मारेगी मुझे वापस again. But yeah, if you invest your time here, if you put your hard work here, okay, this organization will surely give you some return. And I am giving you 100% surety of this thing. अगर नहीं मिलता है तुम्हें रिटर्न, ठीक है, मेरा नंबर ले लो, ठीक है, मुझसे बात करना इस टॉपिक के ऊपर, ठीक है. I will make sure तुम्हारा जो भी फीस रहेगा ना विधि, ठीक है, I will give return to you. अगर तुम लोग को अगर वो बेनिफिट नहीं मिल रहा है Rotaract से तो. But I'm there. मैं ये सब क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? Because I'm sure, 100% sure, that you will get benefit from this organization. You just need to explore. Just don't, think about only community service or only medical thing. Okay, explore other avenues. And Vidhi, this is the task for you for next 2 months. Okay, that make sure these all members get, explore in all other avenues. Like हम लोग club service में parties करते, right? Organize a virtual party for them. Netflix party होता, right? Organize.
Yeah, all of that is, because we have icebreaker sessions planned for them on a local level also, and then we will do it on like a major platform. But also we do, send them a form after the GBM, so that they can send us their ideas there. And based on that, we have gotten a lot of ideas. The collaboration carnival idea also came because we got so many responses from our members that they want to conduct certain projects, so we started collaboration carnival, so they could do whatever the kind of project that they want. So guys, you can feel free to reach out to us, because
And
this is
Vidhi,
what we want.
Yeah, and Vidhi, I want whatever ideas they are giving to you, okay, please give them a lead. Okay, let them lead the project, right? They are giving ideas, their ideas, is their project, right? So give them a chance to become a leader and lead that project, right? That will make, that will give them a space to explore in Rotaract. Correct? So मैं अभी ज़्यादा पका होगा नहीं, I know people will sleep now because सब लोग ने वीडियो ऑफ कर दिया वापस. Anyways, yeah. So if you have anything, if you have any doubt, or if you have any question related to Rotaract or anything, you can reach out to us. And I wish that we are also doing everything virtually, but next year we are going on ground. So I wish that all members of Medicrew, attend our district project as well. And I know you guys are, staying far from Mumbai, like all over India. But I can tell you that, our Rotractors are happy to host you also, right? If you come to Mumbai, okay, we all are there for you guys, right? So don't worry कि मुंबई में कोई है नहीं, मुंबई में Rotractor है तुम्हारे लिए, ठीक है? So you can come Mumbai anytime, and we will host you. So anything required, anything from our side, from the district side, Vidhi, we are always there for you, okay, for the club. So if you guys need anything, please reach out to us. Sidai, this goes to you also for the next year, right? That I'm there as a DRR for you, okay, whenever you need any help from the district. Good. So thank you so much for inviting me here, and sorry to bore you guys. Yeah.
No, you didn't, Bharat.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. Okay. So
Thank you, Bharat.
we'll Bharat, we go on to the vote of thanks.
Before that, Vidhi, I think we have a joint Jaini. She has something. So Jaini, can you start?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so these are the small appreciation from the district side for all the members. So we have asked Vidhi to send us the outstanding members, who are working very, very genuinely in the club throughout the year. So these are the certificates. We are giving e-certificate as of now because we can't meet virtually, right? So these all are the certificates. I think there are so many certificates.
Yeah.
Certificates?
There are 38 certificates.
There are 38 certificates. Ashna, Rahul, Anchal, Ashia, Pratik. There are so many. So congratulations, all of you guys. These certificates we will hand over to Vidhi because we don't have time right now. So, we can't say all the names and everything. But Vidhi will, send all the certificates to you. Vidhi, please do it from the side of the district. So, yeah.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, each and everyone. And we really, happy that you guys are doing amazing job, all the members. And ये तो सिर्फ 38 थे, ठीक है. But I'm sure that all the 1500 members are doing amazing job. So keep doing the good.
Yeah, guys, this is something just a little motivational thing. Of course, the more you get involved in the organization, you'll realize that there are rewards at every point. But of course,
I just want to say one thing. Tanisha, you wrote 38 members out of 1500. Next year, if you guys, do a brilliant job in the club, I promise you that, we will give the certificates in more numbers to all the Rotractors of our senior. That's promise from my side. So
that's a huge achievement because district certificates are internationally recognized, and it shows that you've been a responsible Rotractor and truly contributed to the movement. And that's something that, like Bharat said from one of his experiences, not only professional people who are going to be hiring you recognized within the medical fraternity, but also people internationally. If you plan on going there, also people recognize these things. So thanks, Bharat. I think that's a great incentive for everyone to get more involved. I'm looking forward to you guys telling me what your ideas are. And don't worry about it, Hirak. Whatever ideas you have, just PC the entire list to me. We'll get together and we will make those projects happen. So yeah, there's no need. You guys don't need to worry about your voice not being heard. The WhatsApp group is there. I'm always available. My number, I'm going to be putting it on right after this meeting again. Reach out to me and tell me what your ideas are. I'll connect you to the correct people and they'll help you execute projects that you will be able to lead. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, Bharat, should we go on to vote of thanks?
Yes, go ahead.
Thank you so much. Okay, Tanisha, would you like to take over now?
Thank you so much. I think that was a really nice interactive session and everybody is feeling good. Their voices are being heard and we can't wait to interact with you guys further. We deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on our charter official club visit and GBM. First and foremost, we would like to thank our chief guest, the DRR-elect 2021-22, Rotractor Bharat Patel, for helping for all of his help and guidance and taking the time out to interact with our members. He has been a constant well-wisher and we thank him for gracing us with his presence today and providing constant support as well as mentoring us whenever needed. We would also like to extend our gratitude to respected Rotarians who have helped us through everything and who believed in us even when nobody else did. Our ZRRs, ever supportive district secretariat team, and other district council members in attendance for removing out their time from their busy schedules and giving us the opportunity to host them as well as learn and grow under their wing throughout the year. We owe a special gratitude to our president, Protractor Vidhi Shah, and the rest of the directors and the team for ensuring that Rotaract Club of Medicrew has been a success, and also this visit becomes a success. Last but not the least, we thank all the members of the Rotaract Club of Medicrew present here today for accepting our invitation. We hope you enjoyed your evening.
Thank you so much.
Really
Tanisha.
sorry, I forgot two things. Okay.
Yeah, Bharat.
Sorry, Tanisha. Thanks. Okay, we have a district council members here and our ZRRs here. So if they want to say anything to the club.
Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah, ZRRs. Can you hear the ZRRs, please?
Thank you
Harshita,
so much.
Yeah,
Hi, Vidhi.
Harshita.
Hi, Bharat. Thank you so much. Apologies for not keeping my camera on because I'm in between some personal commitments and hence, but couldn't miss this OCV because I'm having working with Vidhi so closely, definitely not. It's so great to see you members here today, like 420 of them currently present here and so much enthusiasm. I still remember when we had the vision meeting that was the first meeting with me and us, Vidhi and Ria. It was amazing to know how Vidhi already had everything in place and it was just the wait for execution, and seeing in this OCV with the team bringing it to execution gives me a great feeling, and congratulations to each and everyone who's been helping out and looking forward for more participation from you all. That's it from my end. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Harshita.
Thank you, Harshita. Any other district council member has to say anything? Or we can move forward. I don't think so. So yeah, Vidhi, you can go ahead.
Okay. Thank you so much, Bharat. So we'll go on with the secretariat announcement and then we'll be adjourning the meeting. So Ria.
I, Rotractor Ria Agarwal, Secretary for the term 2020-2021 of the Rotaract Club of Medicrew, would now like to present the Secretariat announcement. Attendance for the first official club visit and joint general body meeting is as follows. 481 club Rotractors, 2 Rotarians and 9 district council members, making it a grand total of 492 attendees. Thank you so much to everyone for attending. I would now like to request our President, Protractor Vidhi Shah, to adjourn the meeting.
Thank you, Ria. I now adjourn the meeting. Thank you so much, members, for joining us. Again, completely accessible. All you need to do is reach out to us if you have anything that you want to discuss. And we're looking forward to each member spearhead projects and get more involved. And if you are confused that how to handle it with your academic commitments, we're here for you, and we're here to tell you, how to do that and help you through that process also. And for the projects that I discussed today, if any of them stood out to you and your passion, feel free to reach out to us and we'll, connect you to the right people and have that project conducted within your vicinity, for convenience. And yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed. If you guys have any feedback, we'd love to hear that. So please do drop it in the chat box. And I'm looking forward to the next general body meeting that we have. So yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.
Vidhi, Ria, could you just give me a heads up when only BOD and core are there on the call?
Yeah, sure. I'll let you know.
Yeah.
All the members can now leave the meeting. We thank you for attending and allowing us to host you today.
Also, if you could create a breakout room for Vidhi, Ria, me, and Bharat for the press session.
Vidhi, Veda Varshini. There is someone Veda Varshini, I guess, right? She asked me about the contact details, so please, share the contact details of mine. She wants to do.
Yeah, yeah, I'll do that.
Also, if you guys, check chat box, okay, there are few questions, okay, of your members. So I believe, if you guys can solve them, it will be really great. So it will not create any issue in the future, okay. So there is one guy, Abhi Suhail something. He asked something about the certificate, okay, that are the certificates given to the resident of Mumbai because they are attending on sport events and all this stuff. So please address this question with you.
Yeah, Bharat. Don't worry about it. We'll do it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think our members are leaving. I've made Jenny the host so that